Here are 5 of my best tips to help you lose fat, get stronger, and repair your relationship with food. I'm giving you my 30 best tips, and this is part 3. Now, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give me a follow and catch up with the rest of the series. Number 1, park in the back of the parking lot wherever you go. This may seem silly, but it adds to your overall step count and it increases your neats, which is incredibly important for fat loss. Number 2, read for 10 minutes every single day. This is a great way to unwind and just have some me time. It can help you escape from the pressures of life and just overall have a healthier mindset. Number 3, unfollow anyone on social media that makes you feel bad about your food choices. You control your feed, and if you let that energy into your life, it can bring you down. Number 4, if you want a second serving of food, wait 15 minutes. Now, if you're still hungry after that, help yourself to a second serving, but make sure it's a half serving. Chances are you probably won't want it anymore. Number 5, start a self-affirmation journal. The way you talk to yourself matters. If you're constantly putting yourself down, how the fuck do you expect to live a happy life? You don't need to do all these things. Pick 1 or 2, implement them into your life, and fucking crush it.